Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are targeting software development roles, then today's opportunities are going to be very useful for you. One of the openings is from the remote software engineering role with ESOPs and Java internship. That can be a very great entry point for freshers. Now let's start with the first opportunity. The company name is Heizen and they are hiring for the role of associate software engineers. Yes, this is the same opportunity video I posted few weeks back which got closed on the day of posting, but today the form is open. The role is open for candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience and package ranges between 6 to 8 LPA along with the performance bonuses and ESOPs, which is quite attractive for an early stage engineering role. The best part is that this is a remote position, although operations are aligned with the Hyderabad working hours. What makes this role interesting is that company was founded by professionals with experience at organizations like Microsoft and JP Morgan. So freshers get the opportunity to work closely with the senior engineers and learn through mentorship rather than left alone on projects. Your day-to-day responsibilities will include writing maintainable code for both front-end and back-end applications, working with APIs and databases, participating in code reviews, developing new features, contributing to testing and debugging, and helping build scalable software systems. The company is looking for candidates with skills in Python, Java, JavaScript, or TypeScript, object oriented programming, data structures and algorithms, SQL or NoSQL databases, RESTful APIs, Git, and problem solving. So, they have mentioned data structures, algorithm, and problem solving. It means you need to learn DSA to crack the technical interviews. So, make sure to check out the DSA cheat sheet and 15 plus top companies' DSA problems. And if you have already some exposure to cloud platforms, full stack development concept, or AI assisted development tools, that will be considered as an added advantage. For education requirements, a bachelor's degree in CS, engineering, or a related field is preferred. Personally, I think this is one of those opportunities where the salary is good, work is remote, mentorship is available, and ESOPs are included. For freshers looking for long term growth in software engineering, you have to check out this opportunity. Now let's talk about the third opportunity. Klanvision is hiring Java Programming Interns. This is a remote internship with a monthly stipend ranging from 10,000 to 20,000 rupees. Freshers can apply and the internship is designed for students and recent graduates who want practical exposure in backend development. A lot of students keep asking how to get industry experience before graduation. This kind of internship is exactly the type of opportunity that helps build the experience. As an intern, you will be assisting in application development using Java, writing maintainable code, supporting backend modules, working on REST APIs, participating in debugging and testing activities, handling database operations, and learning professional software development practices. The core skills required include Java programming, backend development concept, REST APIs, database management, debugging, testing, and problem solving. If you know Spring frameworks, SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, data structures and algorithms, API integration, and software design principles, that will be definitely strengthen your profile. Educationally, this internship is open for students graduated from BE, BTech, BCA, NCA, BSc, and related programs. Even if you are just starting your journey with Java, you can still apply. One thing I really liked about this internship is that apart from stipend, they are also offering a certificate, letter of recommendation, and even a possible pre-placement opportunity. So if you are trying to build your resume before applying for bigger software engineering roles, this can be a valuable opportunity. And before ending this video, I just want to tell you guys that I have posted some recently new resources that if you go to this page and click on the filter and apply new one, you will get to see that I have posted so many resources like AIML roadmap, 250 plus interview questions of AWS, Docker, Azure, and TypeScript questions. Also, if you go through and you will see this 100 SQL scenario based questions and data analyst questions. So make sure to check out this using the link in the description box. So yeah guys, these were the three openings. If you are targeting a high paying software engineering role and if you are looking for a remote job with a long term growth, then Heizen is definitely worth applying to. And if you are still building experience or you are a student, then make sure to check out the third opportunity. All the apply links are in the description box. Apply as soon as possible because fresher openings at companies like these attract a large number of applications very quickly. And make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the notifications so you won't miss out my next opportunity update videos. And guys, if you want a particular job opportunity update in a particular domain, so make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.